Hi everyone, Sam here with Reverie, here to talk about a feature in the remote called the Tandem toggle feature. This is a feature in remotes from 2019 and beyond to current. How to tell if your remote has this feature. On the back of your remote, you'll see your model number. There'll be a little T in a circle letting you know that your remote has that Tandem toggle feature. Let me explain how this works. So when you have your remote paired to your side of the bed, for instance, this bed here is a Dream Top King, meaning the head of the bed is separate. So you can have the bed operate as one, or you can operate your side independently. This remote right now is just paired to the left side of the bed. So when I press the head up, it's only going to operate my side of the bed. Now, if I want to operate the other side of the bed, what I'm going to do is on the remote, I'm going to press the flat button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You can see the LED at the top of the remote turned green. That is now able to pair this remote to that side of the bed, which I've already done. I've paired the green LED to this side of the bed. So when I press the head up, this side of the bed is now going to start moving. Now, if I want to operate them together at the same time, since the red LED was paired to my side of the bed, the green LED was paired to the right side of the bed. If I press that flat button 3 times, 1, 2, 3, the LED at the top of the remote flashed red and green, letting me know that I'm now connected to both sides of the bed. So if I put the head up, both sides of the bed are moving. If I press the flat button, and to put your bed flat, you should press and hold the button until the LED turns on. That way you know that a signal has been sent. So now I put them both flat. So if I want to go back to operating my side of the bed, I'm going to hit that flat button 3 more times. 1, 2, 3. And now it's back to red. Red is my side of the bed. So when I press the head up, you can see that just my side of the bed works. So if you want to toggle between different sides of the bed, just make sure that you pair your remote based on the LED for which side you want it to communicate with. And then if you want to change it, just press that flat button 3 times and get to the right color that you need to operate your adjustable bed. If you need help pairing your remote, go find that video that I made about pairing your remote.